Hey there, music lovers. Are you ready to take your creativity to the next level? Today, I'm going to show you an incredible discovery: how to use AI software to create your own mind-blowing music videos. You heard that right? Transition slide. Step 1: choosing the perfect AI software. Host. First things first, you need to select the perfect AI software for your musical journey. There are numerous options available today, each with its own unique features and capabilities. So, go on, do your research, and find the one that resonates with your artistic vision. Transition slide. Step 2: collecting and preparing your content. Host. Now that you have your AI software in hand, it's time to gather and prepare your content. Start by selecting the audio track that inspires you the most, whether it's your own composition or licensed masterpiece. Transition slide. Step 3: enhancing your visuals. Host. Great. With your audio track ready, it's time to enhance your visuals. Upload photos, videos, or even use existing footage to incorporate into your music video. Remember, the more diverse and captivating your visuals are, the more your audience will be hooked. Transition slide. Step 4: leveraging iMagic. Host. Here comes the most exciting part: leveraging the magic of AI. Watch as the software intelligently analyzes your content and syncs it with the beats and rhythm of your chosen music. It's like having your own virtual music video director. Transition slide. Step 5: customize and fine-tune. Host. But wait, we're not done yet. Now it's time to customize and fine-tune your music video. Adjust the speed, add stunning visual effects, experiment with filters, and get as creative as your heart desires. This is where your unique touch truly shines. Transition slide. Step 6: adding final touches. Host. Almost there, my friends. To make your music video truly unforgettable, add those final touches. Polish the transitions between scenes, incorporate text overlays, and even integrate animated elements. Trust me, these small details make a big difference. Transition slide. Step 7: export and share your masterpiece. Host. Congratulations, you've reached the final step: exporting and sharing your masterpiece with the world. With just a few clicks, your AI software will render your music video into a high-quality format ready for YouTube, Vimeo, or any platform you prefer. Host. And that's a wrap on how to create mind-blowing music videos using AI software. From choosing the perfect software to unleashing your artistic vision, this AI-powered journey opens up endless possibilities for musicians and visual creators alike. Host. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of AI-enabled music video creation and unleash your unique voice upon the world. Get ready to inspire and captivate your audience like never before. Closing shot. Host with thumbs up. Host. Until next time, stay creative and keep rocking. Cheers.